Daddy has been printing something with the 3D printer for a few days already. I don't know what it is. He sets us a present to celebrate me finishing my ballet exam. Can you please tell me what it is now? Wow, look at so many parts we have for today's video. Let's check out what it is. Wait, oh my god, they are figures. First I have to puff them out, sand it down, then glue all the pieces together. Let me focus and get it all done. Come on, this super glue is so annoying. It's sticking to my fingers and it's really hard to peel off. Wow, these rainbow eyes are so pretty! I'm such a silly Billy. I even put the face on the wrong side. Yay, finally finished. It's 4 Labubu wearing Squid Game outfits. Do you like them?
See you next time.